Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I'm doing a White Fox haul. I absolutely love White Fox with every bone in my body. I do also have a discount code. I'll pop it on screen. I think it's just Chyna. I also have one for TikTok, which is Chyna TikTok. Use either one of them for some money off. Also, if you see this pink thing, it's because I'm absolutely freezing. The UK is not okay right now. Like, we are so cold, like colder than normal. So this first piece is from White Fox, obviously. So it is this little, I was about to say white, it's definitely not white, black romper. So cute. It's got buttons down there like this. I've just left a couple of the buttons undone. I'll just turn you around real quick to show you in full. Oh, this is what it looks like. It's so cute and comfy. I've just been wearing it as like loungewear right now, but you can wear it absolutely anyway. Like, let me just see for the moment. Guys, I've got goosebumps on my legs. Like, if you could see my legs right now, they're freezing. As I said, I've just been wearing this as like loungewear at the moment because it's so comfy. I feel so cute. I actually wore this with a tracksuit on top because I didn't want to take it off because it was that comfy and I wanted to go out, but I put the tracksuit on top. It's such a cute piece. I think they've got a couple colours of these, but I've always wanted a little romper. So I have got this massive box of stuff from White Fox. I have done like a couple TikToks as well. Also, I hope I'm in focus. I look really blurry. I'm really sorry. Am I in focus? I hope so. As I said, I've wanted one of these little unbuttoning rompers for so long. So I got the like top and shorts version. I thought this was so adorable. It's like giving girls night, you know, if you was to have a sleepover with the girls. Look how comfortable that looks. I actually haven't tried this on yet. I do have a feeling I would need to wear a bra with this. I might quickly grab a bra and put that on, but it also comes with the little shorts. They are quite short, like I think they are meant to be a bit sexy. So let's quickly try this on and I'll grab a bra. Oh my goodness, guys, this is so cute. So I've just had to pop a bra on because your girl's not got the biggest boobies. It is slightly loose on me, but not bad at all. I quite like having that extra bit of room in there. It definitely is like cute, kind of sexy vibes. I love that. I've always wanted something like that. I'm not going to turn around because it is a little bit cheeky at the back, but you can only imagine what it's like at the back, but I think it's so cute. I'm normally an extra small, but I don't really have the biggest boobs. Even this as a top, I would wear this as a top. If I just pull the straps down, there we go. Oh, yes. I love this. This material is so soft, really stretchy. It's that lovely ribbed material. If you slept in this, you wouldn't feel claustrophobic. You wouldn't get too hot. This is perfect. I love this. And as I said, I would absolutely wear this as a top. I think it's so cute. And I love this little button thing. I don't know what about it. It just adds something. And then obviously you've just got the little booty shorts. Super cute. I did also grab it in white, which I think with my tan will look really lovely. So that's just the white version. Hopefully you can see it there. Oh, I love this. I just think it's really nice. I can't wait to just get ready in this and just feel a bit more put together, because sometimes I just wear like ugly pajamas and I don't feel as cute. But if I was wearing like this, I do think they have more colours as well. Probably have it in black. Then got quite a few of these tops. Now, if you don't know about these on White Fox, they are honestly insane. I think I have white, beige, grey, maybe navy as well. But I really wanted to pick up this one, so I'll just quickly pop it on for you. So this is the colour on. I've wanted like a cherry red kind of burgundy for so long. This material is so buttery, so soft. This is the smallest size, so I think this is extra small. I normally do go for extra small because I think the material is a bit too stretched on this one. But normally with tops like this, I'll wear like a nude bra anyway and you won't be able to see, but it's not bad at all. But just because the material is a bit stretched. But yeah, these are so comfy, so good for basics. There is quite a lot of length to it. But yeah, I think I normally get a different size because this is a little bit tight. Just a little bit tight. I have been eating a lot. Can't say Christmas anymore. But yeah, I love the long sleeve. I think they just look so nice, but they're just so basic. But they're just staple. Staple. I've got hair in my eye. I also grabbed a few other colours, so because it wouldn't be a Chyna haul if I didn't grab everything in another colour. When I'm obsessed, I'm obsessed. Also grabbed it in the black. This is my second one of the black. The black's not see-through at all. I just wear a black bra with it. It's not see-through. Yeah, extra small. I normally get an extra small in these tops. I don't know why I did that. I mean, it fits fine. Just a little bit tighter than I'd like. I like to have a bit of room and stuff like this. Obviously I have to wear a bra, but I think these tops are better without bras. I never really wear bras, but I just thought I would. But yeah, I've got the black in, no, I've already got the black this is my second black, just so like when this one's in the wash I can have the other one. And then I also grabbed it in the pink. Oh, I got this one in an extra small. So yeah, really wanted a baby pink top. I don't have one in my wardrobe as of yet, but I now do. I said recently on a TikTok that I didn't suit hats. Now I'm kind of getting used to it. It's the same with headbands. I said I didn't suit them at first, but now I've started to try them on and wear them more and see what works for me. I thought I'd grab one from White Fox because this shape looks really nice. So it just says White Fox on it and it is beige. I'm not going to put it on fully because I don't want to ruin the makeup, but you see the vibe. I just think the shape of this sits so well. Oh god, the hair. This feels really nice quality. I'd definitely pick up another hat from White Fox because this is so nice. Really wanted one with black and beige. Just think it looks good. Oh, I also picked up one of these tops in brown as well because I clearly love these, honestly. If I was to recommend anything from this haul, try these because they're just so amazing. I got this in an extra small. Again, same like this one. Of course, I got a White Fox hoodie. I love White Fox hoodies. This is just a baby pink one. It says White Fox there, and then, I'm not sure what it says on the back. White Fox Leisure. Leisure? That's what it says. Oh, this is so cute. I love this. I have got them shorts on again, but because they're so short, you probably can't see them, but I definitely have them on. Baby pink, super cute. Really nice, soft material. The inside's so soft. I think I've got one other White Fox hoodie in my wardrobe. Washes really perfectly. Hasn't shrunk or anything like that, because I find sometimes hoodies shrink. That's just so annoying. Like, why have you not tested that? They have so many hoodies on White Fox. No joke. I'm just going to show you this tracksuit as well while I'm here. Little short tracksuits giving airport vibes. They've got so many different colourways. Whether you're a basic girl, you like colour. They have the most unreal red one. I think it's called like sorbet tracksuit, short tracksuit. I really want it. White Fox, please restock it because I need that colour. I think that's just unreal. So I got this pink one here. This is the top. There's nothing on the back. I think I definitely prefer this over this. I don't know, I love bright pink. I think pink is so nice. This is actually kind of like 3D. I don't know, you know when it's raised and it's like 3D. Yes, this is my favourite. Oh my god, isn't this just giving airport vibes? I would say if you like more of a oversized fit, I would probably size up in the shorts. I just grab my normal size and I love the fit of them. I like more of a tighter short like this. I find baggy just makes me not look as cute. Oh, it has a pocket on the bum, by the way. Don't know if you can see that. Probably size up. Hoodie wise, I don't think you should size up. This is an extra small or small to medium. Whatever's the smaller size you can get in this hoodie. The arms are a perfect bagginess. The pocket is real. I just think they're so comfy. This is the inside of them. Can you see? Super fluffy and just comfortable. I saw so many people get White Fox tracksuits for Christmas and it just makes me so happy because now you get to experience how nice their stuff is. Honestly, if you've never tried from White Fox before, they are amazing. They have the most insane like party pieces as well. Right, this top was just giving the vibes. I just really wanted her. I've actually just taken the bra off for this top because this type of top you don't need a bra with. I feel like it would just be too much. The shape it is giving is everything. I love this top so much. I think for the summer, this is so cute, even with some just like denim shorts, some jeans. It's so effortless because it's literally white and then black, but I think the contrast of that is beautiful together. The fit of this, the material is so soft, and again, that like stretchy material. I don't know what material you would call this. Either way, absolutely unreal. Quick, I need to post my TikTok. I'm trying to make sure I'm posting basically every day. I'm trying to get people from my TikTok to obviously come over to my YouTube because a lot of people don't know. Some people say, oh, you should start YouTube, and I'm like, I do. So anyone that's come from my TikTok, or if you haven't found me from TikTok, let me know if you haven't found me from TikTok. That would be amazing to know. But either way, thank you for coming over there to here because I really want to just post more so you can get to know me a bit more, because sometimes I do TikToks like getting to know me, chatty videos, but sometimes I don't. But whereas like here we can just create that bonds together, you know? Anyway, for our last item, I got this red swimsuit. Simple, but cute. It's this super stretchy material, look, woo! But it does have the adjustable backs as well. I'm not gonna put this on just because it's a bit revealing. It dips at the back as well. Oh, look, it's got branding. Oh, I love a branding. It says White Fox there. I love little details like that. It just makes my heart explode. Like, everyone needs a red swimsuit. It just looks cute. It's giving Baywatch. It's giving Baywatch when I'm definitely not slaying up for Baywatch. That's the end of my White Fox haul. As I said, I have posted a couple hauls on my TikTok, so if you want to see a few more pieces. This was kind of like my favourite sort of basic stuff from there. Don't forget to use my discount code, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah!